Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of the magnificent beaches of PraiDo Espelho in Brazil. Before we get started, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and don't forget to write a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. The long stretch of white sand is perfect for taking long walks, enjoying the sunset, or simply soaking up the sun. Next, we make our way to the secluded beach of Rio da Barra. This beach is only accessible by boat.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
But the stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean make the journey well worth it. As we walk along the beach, you'll be amazed by the dramatic cliffs and lush greenery that surround us. The crystal clear waters of the beach are ideal for swimming or simply relaxing on the shore. Our final destination on this tour is the beach of Caraiva. This beach is located in a small village and is known for its colorful buildings and bohemian vibe. The warm waters of the beach are perfect for swimming or simply soaking up the sun. You can explore the village, enjoy some delicious local cuisine, or simply relax on the beach and watch the fishermen bring in their catch. As we come to the end of our walking tour, I hope you've enjoyed exploring the magnificent beaches of PraiDo Espelho with me. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of the tour was, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel content. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!